Hello friends, welcome to the Lakshmi Education channel. Here today we are going to learn about the average topic. Let us start. What is average? Average is nothing but the sum of observations divided by number of observations. Let us start what is known as average. Suppose x1, x2, x3, x4, so on. The given observations. These are the given observations. Then what is known by average? Average is nothing but sum of observations divided by number of observations. That is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn divided by, there are total n integers, so xn. Average is nothing but sum of observations divided by number of observations. Let us consider one example. Suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. There are 7 observations. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. These are given 7 observations. Then what is average of these 7 observations? We know that average equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. First we have to sum all these observations. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 divided by number of observations. There are 7 observations, so we have to write 7 in the denominator part. Just we have to sum the given observation. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20, 30, 30 plus 10 40, 50, 56 divided by 7. Here we have to cancel. So the 8 is the average of given observations. So like this we have to do the problems. Average is nothing but, let us recall, what is average? Average is sum of observations divided by number of observations. Let us consider x1, x2, x3, x4 and xn are given observations. Then according to the formula, average equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. So let us take one example. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. These are the 7 observations. Then according to the formula average, sum of observations divided by number of observations. Sum of observations here gives rise to 56 and there are 7 observations total. So write denominator part as a 7. Then after cancelling we get the answer 8. 8 is the average of these 3 numbers. Okay, let us see another example. Find the average of numbers between 2 to 10 which are multiples of 10. Let us find the average of numbers which are between 2 to 10 and which are multiples of 10. Here the question is asked that between 2 to 10 there are multiples of 10. So these multiples we have to find the average. 4, 6, 8. These are the 3 numbers which are multiples of 2 between 2 and 10. So according to the average formula, average equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. Sum of observations. Here there are 3 observations, so we have to do sum. 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 8 18 divided by, here there are 3 observations, so write 3 in denominator part. So the average is 6. the average of numbers between 2 to 10 which are multiples of 10 is nothing but 6. So these are the two examples which tell us how to do the average problems. So here friends, we are going to do some more examples in the about the topic average in R.S. Agarwal. Let us find here the example 2. We see that the body weight of 6 boys is recorded as 54 kg, 64 kg, 75 kg, 67 kg, 45 kg, 91 kg. So what is the average body weight of all 6 boys? Here the example 2 has given that in such a class there are 6 boys. These 6 boys weights are recorded as 54, 64, 75, 67, 45 and 91 kgs. So we have to find the average weight of these all 6 boys. According to the average formula, sum of observations divided by number of observations. So write the formula average equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. Here we have to do the sum of all observations. 54 plus 64, 75 plus 67 plus 45 plus 91 divided by, in the denominator part we have to write the number of observations. Here the 6 observations are given, such as 54, 64, 75, 67, 45, 91. So write 6 in the denominator part. Sum of observations divided by number of observations leads to average. There the sum of 6 weights is equal to 396 and there are 6 observations. After doing cancellation we get the 66 kgs. So the average weight of these 6 boys in such a class is equal to 66 kgs. This is the way to find the average of any observations which are given. Let us do the third example. There are 6 numbers 30, 72, 53, 68, x and 87, out of which x is unknown. Here friends, in the example third they have given that there are 6 numbers. One is 30, 72, 53, 68, x, 87. These are the 6 numbers that are given in the question. Here in these 6 observations we know the 5 observations value, but we don't know the value of 5th observation. But they have given the average of these numbers such as 60. According to formula, average equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. There are these observations 30 plus 72 plus 53 plus 68 plus x plus 87 divided by total there are 6 observations. So write 6 in the denominator part. Okay, 310 plus x divided by 6. But here in this question they have given that the average of these numbers equal to 60. We have to write average equal to 60 here. We have to find the 5th observations. Then by doing the cross multiplication, 310 plus x equal to 6 into 60, 360. Then x equal to 360 minus 310 equal to 50. So here the 5th observation value is the 50. Here we goes to the 4th example. The average of all prime numbers between 30 and 50. So friends, let us recall what is prime number. The numbers which are divisible by 1 and the number itself, these are known as prime numbers. So between 30 and 50 we have to find the prime numbers and we have to find out the average of that prime numbers. So after seeing from between numbers 30 to 50, we find that there are 5 prime numbers. They are 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. So there are total 5 prime numbers between 30 and 50. We know the average formula is sum of observations divided by number of observations. So the sum of observations 31 plus 37 plus 41 plus 43 plus 47 divided by 5. The sum of observations gives rise to 199 and there are total 5 observations. So write denominator part as the 5. 199 divided by 5 gives rise to 39.8. So this is the average of the prime numbers between 30 and 50. Here the 5. Let us see now the example 5. Find the average of first 40 natural numbers. Here we know that the average of given observations, that is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. But here we have the one formula that sum of n natural numbers gives rise to, if they are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on n. If they are given n natural numbers, then they are asking that find the sum of these n natural numbers. Then we have one sum formula, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So here they are given that first 14 natural numbers average we have to find. So we know that average equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. So let us do this problem in notes. Example 5. Average of first 40 natural numbers. First we have to find that average is nothing but sum of observations divided by number of observations. Here we know that there are 40 natural numbers. So sum of n natural numbers equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Here we know that the sum of n natural numbers equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. In question they have asked that first find the 40 natural numbers. So first we have to find the sum of 40 natural numbers. So keep the value of 40 in the place of n. 40 plus 1 divided by 2. 20, 40, 1. 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. So the sum of observation gives rise to 820. Then keep this value in the formula. Sum of observations equal to 820. 820. There are total 40 observations. So 2 4 ja 2 1 ja. So 41 by 2 is the average of first 40 natural numbers. So friends, these are the examples that we have discussed today about the average. Let us recall what we have discussed. That average is nothing but the sum of observations divided by number of observations. Whatever the observations they are given, we have to do the sum and then we have to divide the number of observations given. This is the first formula of average. So thank you friends for watching this video. Let us do some more examples and we will discuss some more concepts about the average in the next video. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel.